Hey Tool School, it's David here. I'd like to share with you something really cool I just got a couple days ago. It is the WORX Trivac. It is a vacuum, blower, and mulcher all in one. Just to be clear, and for full disclosure, WORX did send this to me. I was trying to find a solution for a problem, which I'm going to share with you in a moment, and ran across this item, and Mike at WORX sent this to me. I don't get paid by WORX. They do let me keep this item, but it's mine to review the good, the bad, or the ugly. So I will give you my best opinion on what I liked, what I didn't like, and we'll go from there. So the way this new property is set up is the wind comes in this way and it deposits leaves right there along this fence line. You can't see, but primarily right there against the garage. And so you can't leave the garage open or it gets filled with leaves. So I tried everything, raking them up, and all I got was big bags of leaves like normal, and then using a small blower to get them out of the way. But for some reason, there's a venturi in the wind right here, and it just keeps blowing them in. So I needed to get rid of them, and I wanted to get rid of them permanently. I assembled it real quick while you weren't looking. I put the extension tube on it and the bag. So what happens is when you use it in vacuum mode, leaves go through here. There is a shredding wheel here, and it fills up the bag. So we'll put that to the test and see how long it takes to fill the bag. So my plan is to take all these leaves out of here. So what I did, this is a plug-in model. They do have a battery-powered model, but since I'm gonna stay right within this area and I'm just lazy and I don't like to have to change batteries, and I figure it will probably go through a couple of batteries if I were to use that, I just went ahead and used the got the plug-in version because I have power everywhere and 15 different kinds of extension cords. So without further ado, I will go ahead and show you what it looks like to vacuum up these leaves. Hello, Tool School Shop Dog. What are you doing? Did you come to help? All right, so we've got some close-up. One of the things I like is when they do clever, useful stuff, like put this cord strain dude on here. This is where your extension cord would go, so it doesn't come unplugged and it doesn't mess up your prongs when they pull apart. It's got the switch from the blower to the vacuum. When it's on blower, the motor is swung down and there's no access to the turbine. So it will work. If you turn the switch to vacuum, it does swing the motor up and exposes the orifice there for the bag to go in, and the motor will not turn on. You can't turn on the unit in this configuration without the bag being attached, because if you look down there, there's that turbine. That's the mulching disc that creates the air for either the vacuum or the blower. So you've got a switch, you've got O for off, and then it's 1 and 2. Those are 2 speeds. We've got this switch right here, which pops this cover off. I'm not going to do it one-handed. It's to clear jams or clean, and then this comes off here. That's pretty much it for the device. Again, I apologize for showing you all of those leaves being sucked up one by one, but all in all, it's hard to beat this this machine here. I said I would show you what the debris looks like, what the leaves. So those are big leaves, and turned it into pretty doggone fine mulch. So as far as the WORX 3-in-1 Trivac goes, I like it. I can't find anything wrong. I am going to go around the yard and do some more leaf mulching, and I'll tell you how it goes. I'll also probably use the blower. I can tell you right now, it goes at a much higher velocity than the small battery-powered blower that I have. So once again, it's David from Tool School signing off.